So here I have the sample for the bubble mailer, very commonly used in the US and EU market, and you can make them in any color you want, from white to black or to purple, and we can make them with print or without print like this. The one I have here is a very common size in the US market, made with 2.5 mm thickness for the plastic layer and 3 by 16 inch for the bubble layer. And we can make them with anti-static tear strip or normal tear strip, and we can make them with permanent adhesive or temporary adhesive. Now I'll test this sample for you. You see the glue is very strong, very sticky, and you cannot open the box. Very strong. You cannot open. And the bubble layer is very thick, so it's had a lot of cushioning and very protective. You can put your item in it and don't worry about it breaking when the bag folds. And the heat seam here is also very strong. You cannot break it off. It's very strong. So yeah, you can put your item in here and ship it without worrying about the item breaking. And we have a lot of experience manufacturing these bubble mailers, so you can contact us.